Wondering whether your tree needs removal or just a prune? In 2026, Toronto homeowners are paying $800 to $2,500 for removal. But the wrong choice could cost you thousands more in fines or damage. Size and neighborhood matter. A medium tree in Scarborough runs $1,000 to $2,200 to remove, while strategic pruning, like the $850 job that saved a 40-year-old silver maple in March 2026, can keep your tree alive and your wallet intact. Before you touch any tree, know Toronto Municipal Code Chapter 813. Any trunk 30 centimeters dBH or wider needs a permit, taking 5 to 10 business days and costing $75 to $185. Skip it and face fines from $500 all the way to $100,000. Not all tree companies are equal. Toronto Tree Removal's ISA certified arborists and TCIA membership mean written assessments that satisfy both your insurance company